Let's start Lesson 1. Don't leave your work for tomorrow. Once in a jungle, the animals decided to have a cake baking competition. A big prize would be given to the winner. A free trip to the Disneyland in America was also offered in the prize. All the animals were excited about the competition. Everyone wanted to go to the Disneyland. Even the hare and the tortoise wanted to enter into the competition. The next day, the tortoise brought a good recipe book for baking cakes from his friend. Seeing the recipe book, the hare said to the tortoise, "Why are you worrying about the contest so soon? There are so many days left for the competition." The hare was making fun of the tortoise. He could not understand why the tortoise was thinking about the competition so soon. There was enough time, but the tortoise kept on preparing for the competition. The tortoise chose a good recipe from the book. He made a list of things he needed and bought them from the market and baked the cake 2 days before the contest. The tortoise also decorated the cake with colorful icing cream, and he had sent the cake for the competition much before the last date. On the other hand, the hare spent his time in playing with his friends. Just 2 days before the competition, he thought to bake the cake. There was so much work to do. He had to think of a recipe for a quick and easy cake. Quickly, he ran to the market to buy the things needed to make the cake. But there was no flour and no sugar in the shop. The hare requested the fox to arrange the things. At last, the hare started his work of baking the cake. But it was not fluffy. It was flat and lumpy. The hare had forgotten to add sugar in hurry. There was no time to bake another cake for the competition. Now, the hare was very upset and started crying. The tortoise won the first prize. He baked the best cake. The sad and disappointed hare watched the tortoise receiving the prize proudly. Everyone was applauding the tortoise. Think about it. 1. You must do your work on time. 2. Whatever you can do today, don't leave it for tomorrow. 3. You should always be well prepared for the coming competition. Never forget, time and tide wait for none. Don't make fun of others. It is always good to be prepared for forthcoming challenge. Don't take any task as easy.